not lips that move, nor tongue that sings, but thought that clings on silent wings, a chain of love forever wound around the Master, safe and sound. In home, in street, in joy, in pain, let every act fall like sweet rain, offered to Him as sacred due. All work is worship, pure and true. Love is the root, devotion the seed, fixed on the Master, all fears recede. No fresh Sam scare us bind the soul, the old ones fade, the heart grows whole. Mind settles calm in peace profound. The divine play is joy now found. What took our fathers lives on lives in one short span, through grace arrives. Keep the thought burning, soft yet bright, day and night, day and night, with Master's mercy ever near. The goal draws close, have faith, my dear.